Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
Underprivileged children in Kolkata have showcased their creativity and skills at the valedictory session of the workshop Ways to Wealth organized by Science City, Kolkata in collaboration with the National Sample Survey Office. The 4-day workshop aimed to train the children in creating art and craft items using waste materials while promoting environmental awareness. The workshop, held from July 10 to 13, 2023, was a part of Swachhata Pakhwada and saw the participation of 30 children from different age groups. Coordinated by prominent NGOs such as Humanity for You and Me, SOS Children Village, and Tiljala Shed, the event provided the children with an opportunity to learn valuable life skills and boost their confidence. The resource persons from Science City, Kolkata guided the children on how to transform waste materials into useful products, fostering creativity and problem-solving abilities. To evaluate their understanding of environmental awareness, a quiz in the form of a questionnaire was conducted. Additionally, 2 puppet shows on cleanliness and safe environment were organized to emphasize the importance of cleanliness and raise awareness about a safe environment. The valedictory session marked the culmination of the workshop, where various products developed by the underprivileged children were showcased to the public. These included a flower vase, dog and cat pen stands, masks, photo frames, painted plates, and carry bags, among others. Anurag Kumar, the director of Science City, expressed his optimism about the workshop's impact, stating, "Through this workshop, these underprivileged children will learn valuable life skills and gain confidence in their abilities and learn to create something beautiful out of things that were once seen." This will not only be helpful in achieving cleanliness but may also contribute to the economic development of this marginalized section of society. The Additional Director General of the National Sample Survey Office, P. Sangeet Kumar, praised the efforts of Science City, Kolkata in executing This initiative not only aimed to instill a sense of cleanliness and environmental consciousness but also provided the children with a valuable skill set that could contribute to their economic upliftment. By promoting the concept of upcycling and waste utilization, Science City, Kolkata, and the National Sample Survey Office have taken a step toward addressing the escalating waste challenge in urban areas and inspiring individuals to embrace a lifelong pursuit of physical and mental hygiene. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.